Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading. Adventure begins at your library for July 22nd, 2024, Part 1. Secret Agent Guy, written by Kira Bigwood, illustrated by Celia Crampion. Secret Agent Guy, working for the FBI. On a mission from the top, Operation Lollipop. Get your gear on first things first. Pausing just to quench your thirst. Grappling hook and nighttime specs, walkie-talkies, check. Sneak downstairs, survey the scene. Boss is calling on your screen. Try the cupboard on your right. Quick, we haven't got all night. Set your traps and get to work. In the shadows, something lurks. Mom and Dad have sent a spy. Lucky that he's on your side. Careful now, you're almost there. Grab the handle, snatch with care. What's that sound? Could they have guessed? Mayday, SOS! Take a breath and get a grip. Grab that jetpack, let her rip. Whoosh! Someone's waiting at the drop. Rendezvous, then make the swap. Off they whisk, the mother lode. Wait a minute, what's the code? Turns out you've been double-crossed. Both you and your boss got bossed. Secret agent girl. First to bed, then save the world. The end. Alright, we're going to make our Super Spy magnifying glass. Your Cop-to-Go kit is the magnifying glass. You can see it works. Here's the Sharpie. See how it works? Makes that bigger. Pretty good. And all you're going to need is some sort of markers. I'm going to use Sharpies, but you can use regular markers, wood markers, whatever you like. And I'm just going to make polka dots on mine. Because I like polka dots. But you do whatever you'd like to do. And remember, there are two sides to this. So you can do the back too. And I'm just gonna finish this up and I'll show you what it looks like. I don't know why it's bleeding like this, but hey, it will be unique. And that's what I came up with. So it's got dots on both sides, and you can see it's working. Just try to keep the marker off the lens, or else you'll have lines on your lens. That's all there is to it.